Producers of the annual pantomime are clinging to hope that more people will turn out to support the production. But are local theatre productions being outshone by modern media? The details in this report.
Since the advent of social media, there's been no shortage of entertainment. From YouTube to TikTok, content is constant, instant, and everywhere. For some in the theatre business, the competition has never been tougher. Calneth Reed is a member of the cast of pantomime.
TikTok, I take over. So nobody really wants to come out and watch a show in the theatre, watch it live, and nobody don't want to spend their money. Everybody say, oh, you can't give me a free ticket because you know me. Come out and support.
The writer and producer of the production, Anya Gludon, however, shared a different perspective.
I don't see it as a competition. I see it as an adjunct to the larger entertainment picture, because there's always something special about something being live and in person. I mean, yes, it's nice to watch it on your phone, but when you can sit down in a space and you can be drawn in and see all that's going on around you, and you can turn to your friend and say, hey, you see that? You see when you want to say, and that is nice here, you can say, you can't imagine.
Since opening night in December last year, the annual pantomime has been showing at the Little Theatre on weekends. On the day of our interview, a small group of children from St. Thomas had just arrived to take in the production. Inside the Little Theatre, the music begins before the audience even takes their seats. Before the lights, before the applause, every note, every sound sets the stage for what's to come.
One more. La, 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 la.
In the dressing room, the performers were also getting ready. Then it was showtime. A 600-seat space echoing with empty seats. Still, the performers held nothing back. For producers, it's not a sign of a dying art. Instead,
so what we call on is support. We need support. We need people to look more into the arts, the creative arts that's into theatre, and see how we can get proper funding with pantomime, because pantomime is a long time thing. It's part of our culture, believe it or not. So we need the support and we need the help.
As for Ms. Gludon, she would like to take the show outside the Little Theatre. But there are few venues which can accommodate productions of this nature.
My dream would be to see a proper working theatre in each county. So if we had one in the middle of the island, somewhere like in Mandeville, if Cecil Charlton Hall could be repurposed and refitted so that it could work for that particular purpose. The Montego Bay Conference Centre is a little bit challenging because it has a lot of concrete, so it sucks up the sound, so it's not so good acoustically, but it would be fabulous to work in a space like that and find a way so that you could have proper productions everywhere. And it's not just for theatre. It can work for your church concert. It can work for your recitals. It can work for your dance recitals.
The last showing of the pantomime is on Mother's Day weekend in May.